Welcome to another one of our property listings at 1318 Hollyburne Avenue in Menlo Park. Welcome into this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bath property featuring the main house features 1545 square feet with a separate detached ADU, approximately almost 200 square feet. The property is beautifully exposed wood beams going across the ceiling with awesome recessed lighting, making this a bright and open floor plan. The kitchen is easy to use, featuring high-end appliances, stainless steel stove, and a new refrigerator. The property has a giant master suite with a large walk-in closet and a huge sunken tub. The property has dual sinks, a large jetted sunken tub, and a stand-up stall shower. This side of the house features 3 ample-sized bedrooms and an updated bathroom, perfect for a large family or investment. Come take a look at the backyard. The functionally designed backyard has ripe fruit trees and is perfect for entertaining family or friends, and has a separate ADU. The property has a separate ADU, perfect for an extra family member or even an in-home office. Thanks for coming by to take a look at our property listing. If you know of anyone that's interested, give me a call.